Hey everyone, so I just got back from a day of shark fishing. Overall, it was a pretty slow day. We only managed to get one bite, and it turned out to be a keeper leopard shark. I didn't end up catching any rays or sharks. My friend is the one that hooked the one shark, but he had enough shark meat at home, so he decided to let me keep this one. And for this video, I'm going to show how I fillet, prepare, and cook up this shark. I'm planning to make a fried fish sandwich, so yeah, let's get started. Alright, there's the leopard shark. If you want to know how to tell a male from a female shark, males have these little two things here. I think they're called caspers. So while I'm gutting the fish, I'll share some more info about how to properly take care of a shark meat. Sharks have urea in their blood, and when they die, the urea breaks down into ammonia and can make the shark meat smell and taste like pee. So when you catch a shark that you intend on keeping, you want to make sure you dispatch it quickly and bleed it immediately, and ideally get the fish on ice right away. It's also good to gut the shark right away, but we didn't end up doing that with this shark, and the meat turned out fine. Alright, one thing I'm curious about is what's inside his stomach. Here you can see what's inside. That leopard shark was been eating some type of shrimp and some fish. I'll start off with removing the head. The head is good bait. Remove the fins. Skin's pretty tough to cut through. Alright, so I finished filleting the other half of the shark. Right now I'm just peeling off some of the little white bits, the belly lining, any other hard cartilage pieces on this guy. It's like all that white belly lining, peel that off. Then I'll skin them. So one interesting thing about sharks is they don't have bones, they just have this one long cartilage spine. So I messed up skinning the first fillet. This was because I wasn't holding the knife parallel enough to the cutting board and ended up cutting through the skin. I had to use a smaller knife to trim away some of the leftover skin. I also had a lot of red flesh left on the fillet that I had to trim away. I didn't end up filming myself skinning the other fillet, so I'm going to skip forward to portioning out the shark. Alright, there's my shark meat. Time to freeze it, and then I'll save some to cook. For freezing the shark meat, I wrap it in plastic wrap, and then I wrap it again in a layer of freezer paper. There we go. Packaged. Now I'm going to finish off the rest of them. Alright, so I've packaged all my leopard shark for freezing. I have 2 pieces here that I'm going to cook up. So before I start cooking up the shark, I'm going to share a bit of information about consumption of sharks in the Bay Area. The recommended amount of shark meat for men over 18 years old and women over 50 years old is 1 serving a week. For women between the ages of 18 and 49 years old, along with children under 18, it's recommended that they don't eat any shark meat. The reasoning behind these recommendations is due to the levels of mercury and PCBs in the flesh of sharks. I'll include a link in the video description for more info on this. Alright, so it's a new day and I'm going to start cooking up my shark for lunch. I'm going to make a fried fish sandwich with it. Basically, that's like filet o fish. So here are all my ingredients. I got my shark meat, egg for egg wash. I'm going to use Louisiana fish fry for the breading. I'm going to use some bread and cheese and tartar sauce. Alright, before I batter up the fish, the shark, and season it, pretty light, just some salt and pepper. Right now I'm going to take each piece, put in egg wash, then into the fish fry. Alright, there's another piece. Put cheese on it and melt it in the oven before I assemble my sandwich. Alright, cheese on the top. Nice and cheesy. Right, here's bread, putting on tartar sauce, and I'll put the fish on top. Nice cheesy fish. And I'm actually going to put some lettuce on top. And there we have it. Fried shark sandwich. Alright, so here's my leopard shark sandwich. Wow, that tastes so good. Very firm meat while cooking, but the meat was very soft and flaky when it actually came to eating it. I like this leopard shark meat. More firm, but still like very soft. Very soft meat, but it holds together well. That's what I like about it. That was good. I'm done. There it is. Leopard shark fried fish sandwich. That was so good. Good thing I got another filet. I'm gonna eat it maybe tomorrow. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.